students, who are talking about rational number, and we have learned the general aspects of rational number. Now we learn about the properties of rational number, the operations of rational number, and before that, addition and subtraction, what are the properties are there for rational number that we learn. See, properties of addition and subtraction especially. First property is closures property. You have learned these properties in whole number, isn't it? For whole numbers, all these properties are same only. Whole number is framed in P by Q format, Q not equal to 0, P and Q are integers, isn't it? That way we can learn it. See, suppose you have got three rational number as A by B and C by D. Two rational number now, closures property, two rational number, A by B and C by D, two rational numbers are there. Suppose addition property of the closures property of addition will be A by C plus C by D. If you add it, no, that itself will become a rational number. If sum of two rational number should be always a rational number, that is only the closures property. If you find any rational number you take and you add those two rational number, you will find the summation is a rational number. That's why addition is closed. So that closures property for addition is satisfying. In case of subtraction also, see children, A by B and C by D, two rational numbers are there. If you subtract C by D from A by B, you will get a rational number. That is why subtraction also it is closed. So we will take example as 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6, which is equal to 9 by 6. 9 by 6 definitely is a rational number because it is framed in P by Q format. P and Q both are integers. 9 and 6 is not equal to 0, therefore it is a rational number. You can very well see this, you can very well prove it. Now for subtraction, 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6, if you do it, if you do the subtraction, you will find 1 by 6 value will come. 1 by 6 value will come, minus 1 by 6 value will come, sorry. Minus 1 by 6 is also a rational number. Could you understand me? So addition it is closed and subtraction it is closed. That means closures property for addition and subtraction it satisfies. Now moving on to second property, that is commutative property. All these properties you have learned for whole numbers. So we learn it for rational number. Now commutative property, I said rational number means the whole, some part of the whole, some aspects of the whole number is there, some aspect of the fraction is there combined. It means we are going in detail. We are not terming it as whole number. We are not restricting the number as a only digit or some number. It has got numerator and denominator. With the aspects of numerator and denominator also the number can be termed as, which is said as rational number if Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q both are integers in that format. So commutative property of the rational number, A by B and C by D, two rational numbers are there. Two rational numbers, if you take it now, you see if you take the sum of these two, what are the summation will be there? A by B, if you are adding to C by D, whatever the summation will be there, C by D adding to A by B, summation will be same. I mean to say 5 plus 7 is always equal to 7 plus 5. If you change the order of the addend, the summation, the result will not be changed. Same property is here also for rational number also. Two rational number A by B and C by D. A sum of, if you are adding C by D with A by B, whatever the result will come, if you are with C by D you are adding A by B, that result will become same. Therefore A by B plus C by D is equal to C by D plus A by D. Hence addition is commutative. You can take the example, I have taken the example 1 as minus 3 by 7. For addition property I have taken example 1. For subtraction we will see this commutative properties for minus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. LCM will be definitely 35, and then if you add it, you will find and which is equal to 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 7. First you add left hand side, means A by B plus C by D. Left hand side, here C by D and plus A by B, right hand side. So left hand side if you add, you will find minus 1 by 35. Right hand side if you do the addition of fraction, you will find minus 1 by 35. So both the side summation is same, no? Therefore addition is commutative. So commutative property of addition, on addition commutative property is satisfied. Could you understand? So addition is commutative. Whereas Subtraction, let us see. Same 3 by minus 3 by 7 minus 2 by 5. Find out this, you will find minus 29 by 35. 35 is the LCM, goes for the cross multiplication because denominator is your co-prime number. So LCM will be 37 into 35, product of the numbers, cross multiplication, you will find minus 15 minus 14 is equal to minus 29 by 35. I don't have to teach you the addition of fraction. So minus 20. This side also, right hand side, if you do it, 35 will be the LCM, but here it will be 14, here it will be plus 15, so 29 by 35. Minus 29 by 35 is never equal to 29 by 35. That all you all know. So therefore, subtraction is not commutative. So for subtraction, commutative property doesn't satisfy. For subtraction and division, this only closures property satisfy. Nothing else. No, all other property will not be. For division, of course, additional property is there that we will teach you. Multiplication also additional properties there that will teach you. But two properties you have learned. Moving on to third property, which is called associative property. Associative property means you have learned in case of whole number a plus b plus c. If you find out the summation of b and c and adding to a, whatever the result come, if you are adding a with b and then the sum you are adding with c, the result will become same. So that is what same in this case also. A by b, c by d and e by f, three rational numbers are there. If you a by b is there, say, and plus if you add c by d plus e by f, the summation whatever it comes, if you are adding with a by b, that will become same as summation of a by b plus c by d adding to e by f. Let us do one example I have taken. 5 by 2 plus 7 by 8 within bracket plus 3 by 4. First you find out the bracket work, whatever it comes now, if you solve it, it will become 8, then 7 plus 6, this will become 6 plus 7, 13, 13, here 2 and here 8, 8 will be the LCM, 4, so 4 5s are 20 plus 13, 33. If you find out the addition of this thing, if you simplify that, I don't have to teach to you because you are in class 8, you all are smart one, no? So here it will be 33 by 8. Right hand side you solve. First you find out the summation of these two. You will find what, then you add with 3 by 4, you will find again 33 by 8. So both the side values are same. So associative property for addition is satisfying. That means addition is associative. Now in case of subtraction, let us see. There if you subtract with all these things, then it will not be a by b. If you are subtracting the sum of c by d, if you are a by b minus within bracket c by d minus e by f bracket close, it will never be equal to a by b minus c by d minus e by f. You can take the example. You can take very simple example as you take this rational number as 4 5 4 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. This side you take this side. 5 4 3. I said to you, no. 5 minus 4 is how much? 1. 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2. So this side is minus 2. This side is becoming what you could take out. I will tell you. 4 minus 1. That is 4. This is 4. So they are not, this side minus 2, this side 4. They are not equal to. So commutative, associative property for subtraction doesn't satisfy. So subtraction is not associative. Another two property for addition is there, very very important property. It's not property, you can say it as some principle for addition. Some integer you can add with any rational number, that will become the rational number value itself. What will be that integer? That integer is nothing but 0. So if you add with any rational number 0, the value will become the rational number itself. So a by b plus 0 is equal to a by b. Agreed? No, very simple. So 0 is the additive identity. That is why 0 is the integer. We say it as additive identity of a rational number. 0 is the additive identity of a rational number. Now additive inverse is what? something you can add to the rational number so that the value will become 0. To understand. So take it as with a by b, definitely negative value. With the a rational number, positive rational number, if you are adding the negative of the same rational number, then that value will become 0. So that is only the additive universe, additive inverse. Additive inverse will be what? A by b minus a by b is the additive inverse of a by b. For minus a by b, what will be the additive inverse? Plus a by b. Could you understand me? For 2 by 5, additive inverse is minus 2 by 5. For minus 2 by 5, additive inverse is 2 by 5. So that both the rational number you are adding and finding out the value of 0. That to find out the additive inverse. You don't understand. Something you are adding to the rational number which became the rational number itself, that is additive identity. Additive identity for any rational number is always 0. I hope you have learned the properties, and you will go through once. Doubt if any, I am always there.